The used truck market does not want you to know this. There are Nissan Frontiers sitting on lots right now that will outlast anything the Toyota dealership is selling at half the price. These trucks cross 200,000, 250,000, even 300,000 miles on the original engine and transmission, while everyone else pays the Tacoma Tax, 30 to 40% more for a truck that does not perform any better. Most buyers walk right past these Frontiers because they do not know which years to target. That one piece of knowledge is worth thousands of dollars. Here are 7 Nissan Frontier model years smart Americans are buying right now. And number 1 is the best used midsize truck at any price point. Every year was analyzed using Consumer Reports reliability scores, NHTSA safety data, JD Power ratings, and real repair costs from RepairPal. The bottom years are solid. The top 3 are gold mines. Let's get into it. Number 7, 2004 Nissan Frontier D22 generation. The 2004 Frontier is the final production year of the first generation D22 platform, and that matters more than most buyers realize. When a vehicle reaches the last year of its generation, the factory has had nearly a decade to work out every flaw, every tolerance issue, every weak point in the design. The 2004 is the most refined version of a mechanically simple, cast-iron engine truck that owners have driven past 200,000 and even 400,000 miles on basic fluid maintenance alone. You are looking at used prices between $3,500 and $7,000, the most affordable entry point on this entire list. Annual maintenance costs average just $300 to $350 per year. The engine options are a 2.4-liter inline-4 or a 3.3-liter V6, both straightforward, proven power plants, with no complex electronics to fail. There is one known issue to watch for on the manual transmission models. The plastic clutch switch pusher on the pedal assembly degrades over time and crumbles, causing a no-start condition. The fix costs under $5, a standard metal bolt and nut through the pedal bracket. That is the kind of truck this is. Simple problems, simple fixes. The exterior paint and clear coat on these trucks are also known to oxidize and peel under sustained sun exposure. If you are buying one in a hot climate, applying a quality ceramic coating or polymer sealant to the body panels is a smart move to prevent rust from developing on exposed sheet metal. The trade-off is age. The interior is basic, safety ratings are dated, and modern features do not exist here. But if you want a pure mechanical workhorse at the lowest possible price, the 2004 D22 earns its spot on this list. Before we get to the next Frontier year, if you want a more in-depth look into how your pickup truck can last 200,000, 300,000, or even 500,000 miles, this ebook reveals the exact maintenance secrets and brand-specific strategies that every smart pickup truck owner should know. If you want to check it out, the link is down in the description below. Number 6, 2013 Nissan Frontier D40 generation. By 2013, Nissan had done something critically important. They had completely resolved the catastrophic transmission contamination issue known among Frontier owners as the Strawberry Milkshake of Death, or SMOD, that destroyed transmissions in the 2005 through 2010 models. If you are not familiar with that failure, we will cover it in detail shortly. What you need to know is that by 2013, it was gone. Consumer Reports gave the 2013 Frontier a 4 out of 5 reliability score. JD Power rated it favorably. Used prices run between $8,000 and $13,000, making it one of the most affordable modern-era Frontiers you can find. Annual maintenance costs average $400 to $450 per year, according to RepairPal. There is one proactive fix every 2013 buyer should make immediately. The factory heater hose, inlet, and outlet pipes are made of ABS plastic. They sit at the back of the engine bay, they cycle through extreme heat constantly, and they become brittle over time. When they fail fast. a sudden coolant blowout that strands you on the side of the road. The fix is straightforward. Replace the plastic assembly with an aftermarket billet aluminum heater hose inlet. The Dorman 626-610 or the Z1 billet unit both work well. It costs under $100 in parts and takes about an hour with basic hand tools. Do that the day you buy it, and you have eliminated the primary liability of this model year. Beyond the heater hose fix, the 2013 also had a minor voluntary safety campaign targeting the steering column wiring harness. Make sure you verify that campaign has been completed on any 2013 you are considering before you hand over your money. If you are finding this useful, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps us keep putting out straight information like this. Number 5. 2017 Nissan Frontier D40 generation. The 2017 Frontier is one of the most decorated used truck buys on this entire list, and most people have no idea. J.D. Power awarded it the #1 spot in the midsize pickup segment for 2017, tied with the Honda Ridgeline, with a quality and reliability score of 85 out of 100. It also earned a resale value rating of 92 out of 100. Here is the number that really tells the story. RepairPal data shows the 2017 Frontier has the lowest average annual repair cost of any year on this list, just $284 per year. That is not a typo. $284 a year in average repairs. That figure exists because Nissan did not chase trends. They kept the same VQ40 DEV6 engine and 5-speed automatic transmission they had been refining since 2005, meaning every assembly flaw had long been engineered out of the vehicle. Used prices run between $11,000 and $19,000. There is one issue to address proactively on the 2017. The rear axle differential breather vent is a small spring-loaded check valve that corrodes and seizes over time, especially in states that use road salt. When it seizes, pressure builds inside the axle tube, blows out the outer axle seals, and gear oil coats your rear brake assemblies. That repair runs upward of $1,700. The fix costs $25 to $35. Install an aftermarket differential breather relocation kit from Z1 Off-Road or All Dogs Off-Road. It routes the vent line to a protected position behind the taillight. 30 minutes of work, problem permanently solved, and you have protected one of the cheapest to own trucks in the entire midsize segment. Number 4. 2015 Nissan Frontier D40 generation. Here is a title that gets the attention of anyone who takes reliability seriously. The 2015 Nissan Frontier is the only model year in the entire history of the Frontier nameplate, excluding the most recent models, to carry 0 active safety recalls logged with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. 0 recalls. That tells you something about how tight the production tolerances were coming off the factory floor that year. J.D. Power gave the 2015 a quality and reliability score of 85 out of 100, tied for the highest in its class, alongside a resale value rating of 89 out of 100. Consumer Reports awarded it a 4 out of 5 reliability score. Annual maintenance costs average $448 per year. Used prices run between $10,800 and $17,700. One non-catastrophic issue owner's report is a weak heater at idle. This is typically caused by air trapped in the heater core loop. The fix is a cooling system bleed. Park the truck on a steep incline facing upward, remove the radiator cap cold, attach a spill-free funnel, and run the engine at operating temperature with the heat on full until the trapped air escapes. Also, inspect the painted steel bumpers and lower hood lip for early paint chipping. Applying a clear paint protection film to the front fascia is a smart preventive move, and it is one of the easiest ways to protect the long-term structural integrity of a truck you plan to own for the next decade or more. The 2015 is a 0 recall, high reliability truck at a used price that makes it genuinely hard to beat. Number 3. 2014 Nissan Frontier D40 generation. This is the only Nissan Frontier in the entire production history of the nameplate to receive a perfect 5 out of 5 reliability rating from Consumer Reports. Not a 4, a perfect 5. That score reflects what the data actually shows. Drivetrain complaints on the 2014 are nearly non-existent. The very few issues reported center on minor cosmetic or accessory items, not mechanical failures. J.D. Power rated it 83 out of 100, described as great. The VQ40D EV6 produces 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque, with a towing capacity of up to 6,500 pounds. Annual maintenance costs average $450 per year. Used prices run between $9,000 and $16,000. There are 3 safety campaigns to verify before you buy a 2014. First, NHTSA campaign 14V-418, an out-of-specification weld nut on the rear seatbelt anchor in the C-pillar. Second, NHTSA campaign 14V-033, an incorrectly installed circuit breaker on the A-pillar that could rub the main wire harness and cause an electrical short. Third, service campaign P7318, an airbag control unit software issue where off-road angles could trigger unintended side curtain deployment. All 3 are corrected by dealerships at no charge. The good news is that none of these campaigns reflect a fundamental flaw in the mechanical design of the truck itself. They are assembly process corrections, and once closed, they are closed for good. Run the VIN, confirm all 3 campaigns are closed, and you are buying the most mechanically perfect Frontier ever built. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. We break down exactly this kind of information so you do not get burned on your next truck purchase. Number 2, 2018 Nissan Frontier D40 generation. The 2018 Frontier did not just perform well in reliability studies, it dominated them. In the J.D. Power Vehicle Dependability Study, which surveys verified owners after 3 full years of real-world ownership, the 2018 Frontier recorded a class-leading score of just 106 problems per 100 vehicles. That was the best score in the entire midsize pickup segment, and it was the 3rd consecutive year the Frontier held that top spot. Consumer Reports gave it a perfect 5 out of 5 reliability verdict in retrospective evaluations. RepairPal puts average annual repair costs at just $351. Used prices run between $13,000 and $21,000. The 2018 also comes with a standard backup camera, touchscreen display, and available packages like the Midnight Edition. 2 recalls to verify on the 2018. First, NHTSA campaign 18V-551. On trucks with a physical key ignition, road vibration, or a heavy key ring can cause the ignition switch to slip from run to accessory while driving, cutting power steering and brakes. Dealers inspect and replace the ignition switch at no charge. Second, NHTSA campaign 19V-654, a backup camera software issue where manual display adjustments can permanently disable the rear view image. Dealers correct this with a free firmware update. What makes the 2018 especially compelling is that 3 consecutive J.D. Power wins is not luck. That is a truck that has been proven in the real world by real owners over real miles. Confirm both recalls are closed. Install the differential breather relocation kit. And the 2018 is one of the most dependable used trucks you can put your money into. Number 1, 2019 Nissan Frontier D40 generation. This is the one. The 2019 Nissan Frontier is the absolute best used Frontier you can buy, and here is exactly why that is true. In 2020, Nissan introduced a brand new 3.8-liter V6 engine and a Mercedes-sourced 9-speed automatic transmission into the Frontier lineup. That new setup immediately suffered from shift calibration problems, gear hunting, and a high-profile parking pail rollaway recall that triggered a federal stop sale order. Buyers of those newer models became beta testers for an unproven drivetrain. The 2019 is the last year with the proven, naturally aspirated 4-liter VQ40 DEV6 and the bulletproof 5-speed automatic transmission, a combination that has been documented reaching over 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Consumer Reports gave it a perfect 5 out of 5 reliability verdict and named it the segment leader. J.D. Power awarded it 87 out of 100 for quality and reliability, alongside a near-perfect resale value rating of 95 out of 100. Used prices run between $15,000 and $24,000. Annual maintenance costs average $470. The only recall on the 2019 is the backup camera software issue, NHT SA Campaign 19 V-654, the same free firmware fix as the 2018. That is one minor software correction on an otherwise clean record, which tells you everything you need to know about how well this truck was built. 2 things to do the day you buy a 2019. First, confirm that recall is closed. Second, install the aftermarket rear differential breather relocation kit for $25 to $35. That one modification protects the rear axle seals from pressure buildup and eliminates the most common mechanical liability on the platform. The 2019 gives you modern features, old-school mechanical dependability, and the best long-term valuation on this entire list. It is the ultimate combination, and it is the truck that smart buyers are quietly picking up while everyone else is overpaying for a Tacoma. Here is the bottom line. The used Frontier market has real value in it, but only if you know which years to target. The 2019 stands above everything else on this list as the most reliable, most proven, and most durable used Frontier you can buy right now. The 2018 and 2014 are right behind it. Work your way down the list, and there is a solid used Frontier at almost every price point. Before you buy any used Frontier, run the VIN through the NHT SA recall database, check the coolant reservoir for any pink or milky fluid, and do a cold start to listen for anything unusual. Those 3 steps alone can save you thousands. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe. We will keep bringing you the straight information you need to make a smart buy. See you on the next one.